Hi, do you want to learn English for American life? Let's go.
Today is a school day. We will learn classroom words.
I love school. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I love school. Me too. I want to learn.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Today is Monday.
Yes, Monday is a school day.
Look, the sun is up.
The sky is blue. I see a big tree.
Are you ready for school, Emma?
Yes, Mom. I'm so excited.
That's my girl. Let's go.
Yes, Mom. I have my backpack.
Wonderful, sweetie. You're all set.
It's got my books and pencils. Perfect. You're gonna have a great day. I have my pack too.
Good job, both of you.
This is your school.
I see the playground.
First, we go to the classroom.
Okay. The school is big. I like the colors. Red, blue, yellow.
Excellent.
School. Classroom. Door.
This is the hallway.
We walk in the hallway. No running. See? We walk slowly. And don't run. Why no running?
Because it is safe. Walking is safe.
Teacher says, walk slowly. Teacher says, walk slowly.
Good morning, family.
Good morning, teacher.
Emma, your classroom is room number 7.
Okay, Mommy. Room 7.
Room 1, room 2, room 3. Here is room 7.
Room 7. I remember. I know it.
Wow, the classroom is nice.
So many colors. This is my desk.
What do you see in the classroom?
I see a big chalkboard and lots of books on the shelves.
Great observations, kids.
I see a whiteboard. I see chairs. Wow, so many colors. I want to sit in the blue one. This is the best room ever.
I see books, many books.
Desk. Chair. Whiteboard. Book. Desk. Chair.
Whiteboard.
Book. Book.
Perfect. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Parents can stay for 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Let's start our morning. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Correct. Very good, Emma. She is doing great. She is doing great.
Yes, I am proud.
Look outside. What is the weather? Yes, sunny, no rain. Now let's count. Wonderful.
A pencil!
Yes, pencil. Say it with me.
Pencil. Pencil.
What is this?
Razor!
Good, eraser. Say eraser.
Eraser. Eraser. Eraser. Eraser.
What is this?
Ruler. Ruler.
What is this?
Notebook. 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 Notebook.
These are very good words for A1 learners.
Yes, simple, useful, everyday words. Now, draw a picture.
Okay, teacher. That's it. Great job.
I'm drawing a unicorn. I can't wait to see it.
What can I draw?
How about a sunny day at the park?
With swings and slides?
And lots of green trees.
Okay, I'll draw it now.
Draw your family.
I will draw Mom, Dem, and me. Mom, Dad, Tim, and...
That is so sweet. Very nice, Emma. I see Mom and Dad.
Yes, and I draw our house.
Beautiful. Wow, so many colors.
This the sun. This is a flower. This is our car.
Now, let's share our drawings.
Okay, yes.
Wonderful! Who wants to go first?
Me, I'll go. This is my family. Mom, Dad, my brother, and me. We are at the park. Wow, everyone, let's all clap together. This is so fun. Keep going.
We are going to school now.